My Ipsy came in the mail and it came all disheveled. Like, as long as the products are fine, then I guess it's fine. But given all the issues that they had with getting the orders out, I mean, like, let's be so for real here. I was sitting there waiting forever for them to ship out the November box, and it was just a hot mess. I think they gave like $5 back to everybody. They had some kind of mishap. I don't know. I don't trust Ipsy. More times than not, I feel like they're lying when they give us a reason. More times than not, I feel like it's a lie. Let's go ahead and get into my disheveled box and see what we have. The first thing I'm pulling out looks dirty. Okay, it looks absolutely filthy. Let me clean this off. Baobab, I don't know how to pronounce this. Oxygenating Cleanser by African Botanicals. And this is what it looks like. This is expensive. I want to know where the expensive cost is coming from, because it's not coming from the packaging. The packaging is very thin. It's very flimsy looking. You know, nothing to write home about. It's definitely not coming from the packaging. What ingredient is in this that makes it worth all that coin? I don't understand it. Maybe I'll understand once I use it, but this is just like a little cleanser. I'm not gonna open this up. I have so many cleansers right now that I'm trying to work through. Once I work through those cleansers, then we'll have a nighttime skincare routine that you really shouldn't do, but I'm doing anyways, and we will bust this bad boy out. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Ahava, and this is the Essential Day Moisturizer. This is what the box is looking like. It says it has elements from the Dead Sea.
Whatever that means.
I swear, they just say anything to sell you some They'll just say anything just to get you to think it's different or it's more special than anything else. More times than not, the main basic ingredients are all the same. They just add some little extra stuff in there so that you justify the price point. That's neither here nor there. I'm getting it at a discount, so I don't care. This is what the packaging is looking like. Very luxe. Okay, I like the packaging. It has a really nice glass. Ooh, she's thicky thick. She is thicky. Ooh, don't want to do that. It just smells like a basic moisturizer, like a basic lotion. Nothing to write home about. You're paying for packaging and you're paying for the name and the idea of getting something from the Dead Sea to rub on your face. Next thing that I got was a lippy, and this is from Lithe Beauty, and it is in the color Peony. This is what the packaging is looking like. It's relatively cute. I feel like I have, well, actually, the shade does look a little bit different. Let me go ahead and do a little swatchy swatch and see. I think that's actually really pretty. It has that sweet lipstick smell. It's magnetic. The next thing that I got was a brown eyeliner. I'm actually gonna pop this into a giveaway because I have a bunch of brown liners. I don't need another one, so I'm gonna put this in a giveaway. It came like this, so if you win the giveaway, just understand the box was already like that. Last thing I got, and I was coaxed into getting this. This is the Natasha Denona Berry Pop Cheek Trio, and this is what the box is looking like. Okay, pretty luxe. Hopefully this has some shades in it that I can use for the winter time, because I'm about to swap out all my fall makeup for winter makeup. This is what the packaging is looking like. Ooh, you can see yourself. Hey. But yeah, this is cute. These are the shades. In the picture, this shade looked a little deeper. I mean, this is cute. The blush lighter looks really pretty. These are the swatches. I think they're cute. Okay, this like kind of champagne-y color is really pretty. The blush lighter, which is right here at the top, that's pretty. And the regular schmegular blush, I mean, that's gonna work for, yeah, that's gonna work for winter time, Christmas time. I'm excited to try this on the face. The highlighter part of it, I don't usually wear highlighter that much. This is also how it looks like on my fingers, if you guys wanted to see. You know, I really don't use a whole lot of highlighters. It's cool to have it there if I feel like, you know, putting on a highlighter every now and again. I'm not mad at it. That was my November Ipsy Extra, I think they call it.
Not that impressed.
Only thing I'm excited about is this and possibly this lippy. That's about it. Everything else, just meh. Not exciting. I wasn't too happy with my choices if you saw the live stream. I did skip for December. After I was waiting forever for them to send me my package for November, I was like, I'm not about to pay y'all to play in my face again. So I did skip. I'm probably gonna skip January as well. just give me some more time to love on the products that I already have, and then maybe we'll reconvene in February. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think. How do you feel about my Ipsy Extra? Do you think my Ipsy Extra was poppin', or did you guys have better choices than I did? When I was looking at other like YouTubers, I found that I think it was Yari G. Her choices were exactly like mine. Like there was no variation whatsoever. I am curious about whether or not there were other variations of like products you could have gotten. Like it just seems very odd that we had the exact same choices, and I highly doubt that our quizzes are the same. I am interested to find out if they're still doing the variations or if they're just getting lazy and they feel like we won't notice. I don't know. I'm a bit disillusioned with Ipsy, but I am excited that I get to try some Natasha Denona for the low and, you know, try these different things for the low price. So it's still worth it in my opinion. But it's only worth it if you're experimental. If you're one of those people that you just like what you like and you're gonna stick to that, Ipsy is not for you. I'm pretty adventurous, so that's why I enjoy it. It can lead to overconsumption if you're not careful. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Let me know what you guys think about my Ipsy Extra, and I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.